No one expects their home to burn down. Few things are as tragic. But the fact is, our home is burning. The climate crisis poses a real threat to all life on Earth. You understand that. That's what compels you to the front lines of the solar revolution. The odds are stacked against you.
A new United Nations report warns the impacts of climate change are increasing and inevitable.
The doubters ringing loud in your ear.
Climate change is real, we all have to come together, and it has to be now. Nature does not negotiate.
And the inaction of those that stand by silently is deafening.
For more than 30 years, the science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away?
But even with precious little time to act, you step up and make a play. Because you are a warrior of light. Game on.